This is number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, not Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game actually?
It came here namhlanje, to be honest.
Yeah.
Pyramid yadlala. Team emathimini.
Yeah.
Saqala ukuyibona namhlanje team le.
Yeah.
This team has taught us a lot as our fans with Sundowns.
Yeah.
But then again, Sundowns, we believe in ourselves.
Yeah.
As we see,
team,
yeah. And then I can't complain a lot. They put pressure as much as we put pressure on them. But we love our team, and our team is our success because of we can understand the pressure they have.
Yeah.
The pressure is from PSL, from the other cups in South Africa, specifically.
Yeah.
But then, when coming to ICAF, ICAF is in a pressure blind because of since it started AFL, it does not matter the other opinions of other people. The fact is, AFL. AFL belongs to us. It's at home.
Yeah. No. Now it's time for CAF now. Do you think Mafia ngale Egypt uzo win 3 points?
Labo, to be honest, as a fan, yes, Sundowns.
Yeah.
Since the pressure is too much to us, but I only believe what is Zobuya.
You believe it is
I just don't know. That's not a showcase because competition right now, it's a lot.
Very high, yeah. So, but you know, the best thing to do is to go there and just score goals.
Yeah.
And because sometimes we complain about the referees and what. But if you score goals and make sure that you play to the whistle and all that, the referee make better. At least he better. So not 3 points. And here you're supposed to have at least got 3 points, and you make sure that you get 1 point.
100%.
Yeah.
According to the way we there according to our opinions.
Yeah.
According to our facts.
No, it's a fact. You're supposed to score here. It's home.
As much as I was supposed to, I did not.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. But it's a fact.
As a supporter.
Yes.
Hoping, knowing,
and then you didn't score.
I did not.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying, it's a fact that you were supposed to score at home and collect 3 points at home. When you go that side, at least
no, it's not a fact. It's an opinion.
It's an opinion.
Yeah. The reason watching a Quran is because of the matter at hand. We did not score, and that is a fact.
Tell me the reason you didn't score.
No.
You're saying the reason you didn't score is because of you didn't score. That's not the reason.
Yeah.
What is the reason? Why didn't you score?
Yeah. The facts are the simply Brian. Uguti izinto zenzeke the way zenzeke ngakhona. Had we scored, was gonna be another factor. Fact. Yokuthi
exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's fine. I see here ngoba ngeze sizohaneka ama fact cause
now the way we beka ngakhona uhlele wazi ukuthi opinion yakho mara fact ukuthi yenzeke ngalendlela yenzeke ngakhona.
Okay,
manje asiskoranga nabo abaskoranga. That's the fact.
Okay, it's fine. Thank you very much, my brother. All the best. Egypt.